I was born in the blizzard, snow falling down, under sky so wide, where the winds howl round. In the heart of Montana, where the wild things roam, where deer and antelope call this place home. On the prairies I ran, under endless blue skies, with eagles above me and elk passing by. I grew up where the mountains kiss the clouds so high, with the mighty Glacier Park never too far from my Ole Grand Harvey. Your legend still stands in the land of the brave, where the mountains meet the sands, a place where the past and the present collide, and the spirit of the wild will never subside. Through the frost and the fire, the storms that we face, we rise with the sun and we stand with grace. For in this wild land where the eagle flies free, I know that Montana will always be home to me. Where the cold winds blow, in the land of the fierce, where the rivers flow. From the prairies to the peaks, I carry it all, the heart of a lion, standing proud and tall.